everyone, I Sakshi and welcome you once again in another career guidance video. Today, in this video, I am going to talk about one such medical professional which is high in demand like any other medical professional. So let us be straightforward today. The professional I am going to talk about is known as an audiologist. Although audiologist in India has grown many folds in terms of manpower development, audiological service delivery and public awareness. Yet, there is an acute shortage of audiologists, serving a huge population, approximately 1.35 billion. This data presented by Indian National Sample Survey Organization. 5.03 lakh of population are suffering from hearing problems and 1.98 lakh of people have various types of speech problems uniformly distributed around the country. Therefore, respect to the population demonstrating hearing and speech impairment, there is a severe shortage of audiologists and speech language pathologists in the country, making a lucrative career option in the coming times. This is just because of that I am going to give comprehensive insight for the budding audiologist. By the end of the video, you will be well aware about the various facts of the professional, like who an audiologist is, what are the eligibility conditions for becoming an audiologist, what are the skills required, how to become an audiologist, what is the job profile, what are the career options and job profiles after becoming an audiologist, what are the pay packages or salary of an audiologist. So let us start with the very basic question, who an audiologist is. Audiologist. An audiologist is a licensed hearing healthcare professional who specializes in the diagnosis and treatment of hearing loss and balance disorders in adults as well as children. He or she is a professional who focuses on the problems of auditory systems. They are trained to diagnose, treat and monitor hearing loss. They work with the people of all ages, from infants to older adults. They work with patients to preserve, manage and improve their hearing ability to understand sounds. Now, when you are well aware about what an audiologist is, you would be interested to know about the eligibility conditions of an audiologist. What are the eligibility conditions? 10+2 pass with physics, chemistry and biology with more than 50% marks. If you want to accept your career as an audiologist, so that you have to clear your 12th with physics, chemistry and biology with more than 50% marks. You can get admission in one or more of the specialized courses like BSc Audiology and Speech, BSc Hearing Language and Speech, BASLP Bachelor in Speech Language Pathology. Now, along with this educational qualification, you must have certain skills to become a successful audiologist. What are these required skills are? C. Required skills: strong analytical skills and passion for science, a certain comfort level with technology which will help them to operate and troubleshoot many high-tech instruments used in the field, possesses strong communication and and interpersonal skills to establish a rapport with patients and explain concepts clearly. Ability to analyze the hearing, balance or other ear-related problems troubling a patient, diagnose problems and provide treatment. It is the work of an audiologist. There are more required skills which are ability to improve quality result by studying, evaluating and redesigning processes, implementing changes, participating in research programs, evaluating new equipment, devices and techniques, compassionate and patience while attend patients with hearing impairment, good communication skills, problem solving skills and critical thinking skills, ability to work for long hours in testing conditions. After getting the required skills and educational qualifications, now you would be interested to know how to become an audiologist. To become an audiologist might be you have to give the entrance test exam as per the which is conducted by the institute or state level. Compulsory to complete all these requisite qualifications. Now we will see how to become an audiologist. To become an audiologist, the first step, clear your 12th with science stream having physics, chemistry and biology as main subjects, preferably with 50 to 55% marks. Step 2. After clearing 12th class with required percentage is to get admission in any one of the various diploma or UG degree courses. The courses available like BSc in Audiology, BASLP Medical, Diploma in Hearing Aid and Ear Mold Technology. After clearing your bachelor degree in audiology or related field, you can go for the master's degree in the related fields like MSc in audiology, MSc in speech language pathology, which is followed by PhD in audiology or PhD in speech language pathology to specialization of the field. Next, after completing that how you can become an audiologist, you need the license. You need to take the necessary license and certification from the controlling authorities or respective state government to work as an audiologist. Now, you would be interested to know about what are the job profiles in audiologist. Let's see the job profiles. Audiologist consists of assessing hearing levels of workers in occupations at high risk of hearing damage, including pilots or members of the armed forces, prescribing and testing appropriate hearing aids and collar implements, and instructing patients for use, monitor patients on a regular basis to check their hearing and keeping patients' progress record. Next, working in collaboration with doctors, hearing aid manufacturers and NGOs, working in healthcare research, assisting in the development of new technologies or testing the hearing of workers in armed forces such as pilots, etc. Now, what after completing your audiologist, there is a most important and interesting questions like what are the career options and job opportunities after completing your audiologist degree. Let's see the career options and job opportunities. There are plenty of career options and job opportunities for expert audiologists. They can find employment with various private and corporate hospitals, audiology clinics, diagnostic and healthcare centers, rehabilitation centers and community health centers, emergency care units. Next, audiologist assistants, diagnosis audiologist, clinical audiologist and speech pathologist, speech language pathologist, SLPS. Audiologists can also get opportunities in educational institutions as educationists and research facilities as researchers. Now, you would like to know about the salary and pay packages of an audiologist. An audiologist's salary varies as per their academic and professional background. A fresher audiologist's salary is rupees 3,60,000 to rupees 4,80,000 per annum. After getting experience or expertise in this field, this salary can go high as rupees 7,20,000 to rupees 9,60,000 or even much more. If you have an excellent entrepreneur skills and starts your own clinic, then there is no upper limit of your salary. If I talk about the salary of the government department, it depends on the prevailing pay scales that particular center and the state government department, which is keep on increasing with promotions and experience. So that's it from my side in this video. I make an honest attempt to cover all the viewpoints with respect to the audiologist in it. I hope you like this video. If it really so, then please like the hit button to get regular notification and subscribe our school YouTube channel Holy Cross Success School Bagdu Sonipat. Thank you and have a nice day.